In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a new group in a Notion workspace. Start by opening Notion in your browser and make sure you're inside the correct workspace. On the left sidebar, go to Home if you're not already there. This just gives you a clear starting point before opening your workspace settings. Next, look to the left sidebar and click Settings. In some Notion layouts, this may appear as Settings and Members, depending on your version. This is where workspace level options are managed, including members, permissions, and groups. Once the Settings panel opens, click People. This section is used to manage the users connected to your workspace. From there, select Groups. The Groups tab lets you organize members into teams, which makes it easier to manage permissions later. If you don't see this option, make sure you're using a workspace plan and permission level that supports group management. Now click Create a Group. A small setup window will open where you can define the new group. Click the icon and name field. This is where you'll give the group a clear name, and optionally, choose an icon to make it easier to recognize. For example, you might name it Marketing, Editors, or Admin Team, depending on how your workspace is organized. Type the name you want to use for the group. Try to choose a name that's specific and easy for other workspace members to understand, since this group may later be used for sharing pages and setting access permissions. After you've entered the name, click Create Group. You should now see the new group appear in your groups list. At this point, the group has been created successfully. If needed, you can usually open that group next to Add Members right away, so it's ready to use for permissions and collaboration. And that's how you create a new group in a Notion workspace. Thanks for watching.